studied in a psychology paper, Gannett's hierarchy of learning. Now he defines Robert Gane, G-A-G-N-E, Robert Gane. Educational technology can be understood as meaning the development of a set of systematic techniques and accompanying practical knowledge for designing, testing, and operating schools in educational systems. Then Mitra SK, 1968, he defines educational technology can be conceived as a science of techniques and methods by which educational goals could be realized. Then Kenneth Richmond, W, 1979, he defines educational technology is concerned with providing appropriately designed learning situations which, holding in view of objectives of teaching or training, bring to bear the best means of instruction. Now, the another definition is given by Unwin, UNWIN, 1969. He says, educational technology is concerned with the application of modern skills and techniques to the requirements of education and training. So this includes the facilitation of learning by manipulation of media and methods and the control of environment in so far as this reflects on learning. An overview of the definitions above reveals that there exist wide differences of opinion as regards the definition of the term educational technology. The views propagated by the definitions may be concluded about the meaning and nature of educational technology as 1. Educational technology is concerned with the systematic application of science and technology in the field of education and thus may be defined as the application of technology to education in order to further the cause of education. Second, educational technology helps in providing efficiency to the task of teaching and learning. Third, educational technology provides technical guidance and solution to the problems of education. The fourth one, educational technology plays an effective role in the communication between the teacher and the student. The fifth one, educational technology encompasses the total teaching learning process involving the elements like specification of goals and behavioral objectives, analysis of the characteristics of the learner, selection and organization of content or subject matter to be learned, methods and strategies of presentation of content, use of audio material, software, hardware, mass media and communication techniques, effective arrangement of learning situations and learning environment, effective classroom control and management, continuous feedback and evaluation of the results. And the sixth one is educational technology is not limited to the use of audiovisual aids and does not symbolize merely educational hardware such as sophisticated gadgets and mechanical devices. For the effective management of the total teaching learning process, it tends to utilize the results of all good experiments and researches in the field of human learning and the art of communication and employs a combination of all possible human and non-human resources to achieve the desired educational objectives. এটা সেটা না সহ্য। In this way, education technology carries a wider meaning. It can neither be confined to the use of audiovisual aids, software materials, and hardware equipment, nor can it be limited to the use of psychological principles and instructional theories for bringing improvement in education. It covers all that happens during the planning, implementation, and evaluation of the teaching learning process. It devises ways and means to explore and utilize all the resources to bring improvement in the teaching learning process. In brief, educational technology stands for a wide application of the available human and non-human resources for providing appropriate solution to the educational problems and to improve the process and products of education. The latest concept of educational technology involves the concept of systems engineering or systems approach originated from computer science. According to this concept, educational technology is a systematic way of designing, carrying out, and evaluation of the total process for learning and teaching in terms of specific objectives. Research in human learning and communication leading to a combination of human and non-human resources. In other words, it means a system approach adopted in the field of education to organize educational systems, keeping in view the broad objectives of and the available resources. This aspect of educational technology carries a wide meaning and multifaceted concept. It emphasizes the application of the systems approach to the study of the multifaceted problems of education. Some of these problems are as the educational planning and organization, the psychology of learning, the curriculum development and course design, the production of teaching learning materials, audiovisual method of presentation and dissemination of information, storage and retrieval, then the allocation and management of human and non-human resources, the cost effectiveness of media in education and innovation, and lastly it is the evaluation. So this is all about the concept, meaning, evolution and stages of educational technology. থাও এদিকে থাও।